Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daydren. The second staging of Jamaica Rum Festival delivered over the weekend. Thousands of patrons were out in their numbers at the event, which unfolded at the Hope Gardens. Jamaica Rum Festival featured a series of activities throughout the day, as well as various booths showcasing Jamaica's excellence in rum, art, food, and of course the music. Sponsors were pleased with the turnout of patrons and the growth of the event in just 1 year.
Well, it's been excellent. I mean, this is the first time that Worthy Park Estate and Rum Bar has actually been on show at the festival. This is our first time joining, and it has been absolutely excellent. I have been here as a patron last year, and this year to come back as a purveyor, as a sponsor. Like, the event has grown tremendously in just 1 year, so big ups to the sponsors, to the organizers for putting that on.
The two-day festival also had top lineup of dancehall and reggae acts. Saturday night saw the likes of Protégé, Spracker Benz, Mortimer, Ding Dong, Naomi Cowan, and Bugle, who all delivered exceptional sets. Bugle performed hits from his extensive catalogue while paying homage to a handful of reggae and dancehall veterans. Reggae artist Protégé also gave patrons a treat by bringing out a few surprise acts, including Leela Ike, Savannah, and Jesse Royal. The excitement continued into Sunday that saw the likes of artists Freddie McGregor, Coca T, Capleton, and Kimani Marley. Freddie McGregor, who graced the stage for the second time, was pleased with the reception he received from the patrons.
I enjoyed myself. I mean, once I was introduced, people was ready, and I was ready too. So we just had a love affair out there. I always love performing and enjoy myself, because usually when I enjoy myself, the people are enjoying themselves too.
The Big Ship singer also shared details on his new upcoming music, plus his UK and US tours.
I'm working on my new CD. It's untitled yet, but we've gone 8 tracks, and we plan to use about 10 tracks.
Patrons were left contented with the Rum Festival experience.
It's a new experience. I like how they designed the village, and a lot of young people are displaying craft items, locally made items, and the music is a nice family fun music, and it's a good family atmosphere. It's a lovely event. I like it.
The Jamaica Rum Festival aims to promote and highlight the heritage of Jamaica's beloved rums. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daydren. Thank you for watching.